Yes, I won it. Hooray! It has been truly a long journey. I'm so happy. Now I really relax and enjoy the voice. And I'm only happy when I write poems.
Today you have been playing since long. Can I have my phone back?
Yeah, giving in a moment.
Give it to me now.
I was on the last level. Why did you do that? You know all my friends have crossed that level. And I'm lagging behind. This is not done. I wanted to play with my friends.
See, Adyut, you can very well play with your friends on weekends, not on weekdays. Now I'm getting you some milk. After all, children need some energy to play.
Yeah. Who loves milk?
Adyut, your milk is ready. Come and have it fast. Oh, where he is going? Seems like he is angry with me. I should not have taken my phone back. Let me talk to him. Adyut, you love playing games, right? Will you play a little game for me?
Games. Yes, sure.
Okay. Then take this paper and see what all you can notice. Put all your concentration because you know gamers need a good concentration.
I can only notice a black dot on the top right corner of this paper.
That's all you can notice? Well, this is how we people are. We focus on the dark sides of our lives but never turn towards the happy moments. That is why we people are not able to rejoice. See, rejoice is a choice. Not everyone can opt for it, but those who can, they can join the rich moments of their lives.
But what it has to do with me?
See, Adyut, I know you find your rejoice in playing games, but this is not the right time for it. Instead of focusing on black dot, we have so much space to focus on. In the same way, we have so much space to find rejoices in.
Mom had asked me to find other spaces where I can find rejoice. So now it's decided I will not play games until I have other places where I can rejoice. Rejoice is my only mission.
I am wondering what's the time? Oh, it's too late now. I should prepare a bed for Adyut. Seems like he has already finished his diary writing routine and has gone to sleep. But without bed sheets. Let me do it. No problem. He has kept his diary open today. Let's see what he written today. Poem. He has written poem today. Rejoice is a choice. Wow. He has expressed his day very nicely in a poetic way. Good. Oh, I fear he doesn't get up.
Oh my god, it's time. My class will start at any moment. Go arrange my books. I'm very late. Wait, what is this? An online poem contest in a school. It looks quite challenging. I should talk to mom about this. Good morning, ma'am. It has been such a hectic day today. Seems I'm forgetting something. Yes, I have to talk to mom about this online poem contest. I should go now. Mom, you know our school is organizing an online poem contest.
Wow, that's a great news. And I think you must participate in it.
I don't think so I will be able to write a self-composed poem.
Why? See, Adyut, I saw your diary last night and I can see that you have an ability to write a poem naturally. And who knows, this can be your moment of rejoice?
But this is not fair. Just by seeing some lines, you are deciding that I might take part in an online poem contest?
No, Adyut, you must try for it. And I am sure you will win.
Mom, the exam is going to start. I am very nervous. I don't think I will be able to win the contest.
Don't worry, have faith and be determined. I am sure you will win. All the best.
Today the results had to come. Fingers crossed. I hope the results come good. Let me check it. Yes, I have won it. Hooray!